Inflammation is body response, normal body response to infections, to allergies, to stress. When it becomes more, it's because of continuous process that is going on a longer period of time. And it can cause problems in the body, from diseases like chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and for example, high blood pressure and other chronic diseases like autoimmune diseases and so forth. So the causes of inflammation can be continuous stress, sustained continuous stress, which release all these biomarkers that is naturally supposed to protect you, but if it is released on a regular basis like homocysteine and interleukin 6 and so many more, it's a complicated process for you to understand all of that process, but in general there is some biomarkers that is released that's supposed not to release on a regular basis due to the inflammatory process or the sustained stress that's going on. The second one is lifestyle and the lack of exercise. We have also certain types of food like processed food for a very long time that you're eating it, like fast food that has trans fats that damage the arteries and the inside lining of the arteries. And then we have other foods like vegetable oils, especially the ones that can cause the problems for the body, and on the longer term we can explain it in a next video. And there is another factor that is very important like processed meats, canned food, so anything that is not really fresh, that you can take it from the market and cook it, it can cause the problems for you. So what type of a diet I want to follow if I really want to have less inflammation? And this Mediterranean diet is number one. Number two, low carb diet. So decrease the crackers, decrease the pasta, decrease the flour. Sugar diet that is less in sugar and less into sugar that is coming from mainly the corn syrup or corn syrup made, and this is the easiest one to make, and it has detrimental function on the body, especially sometimes the corn can have a genetic modifying factors and can cause alteration on the genetic makeup in your body. Wait for me for the next video. It was a pleasure to have you today with me, and we will talk in details about the causes, more on the food side and on the good food and the bad food in order to prevent the inflammation.